Welcome back, guys, and you're in the kitchen with Lynn. Today we're going to cook some beef liver. All right, it's easy, it's tender, it is flavorful, and you don't want to overcook this liver, guys. The longer you cook it, the tougher it gets. It's a perfect meal experience. You can serve with some rice, or you can use it with some bread for breakfast. As you can see, I'm removing a little piece of white scarf here from over the liver. I did buy this liver already cleaned, but once you're gonna do liver, you need to remove that white film that is right over the liver. If not, it's going to be very tough when you cook it, okay? So you can feel free to cut your liver into any desired shape and size. Once you're done, place it into your bowl with some water, add some salt, and you want to add a lot of vinegar and lime juice into this. Liver has a lot of blood in it, guys, and I don't want to cook a liver that is red, all right? I like to soak mine, leave it there for about 20 minutes until it changes its color just like this. Yes, it may look nasty, but I think it's well washed. Okay, now I'm going to use a combination of seasonings to season this meat, and it's like half of a teaspoon each of seasonings, and I'm going to be listing every details in the description box below. You want to make sure that you season this liver well. You use the seasonings that you prefer onto your meat. I am using oregano, parsley, onion, garlic, ginger powder, smoked paprika, of course, if you know me. Guys, I love smoked paprika in my meat, all right? And lemon pepper seasoning, you name it. It's gonna be listed below, guys. Mix it well, making sure that every piece is well coated with the seasonings. Now I'm going to add some teriyaki marinade onto the liver. And then I'm going to mix it well, set it aside to sit for about 30 minutes. Over here I have some seasonings prep, and I have some green pepper, some garlic, chive, red onion, red and orange bell pepper. You can use the white onions also, it's okay. I have a pan over medium heat, and I did add some oil, and now I'm going to add the garlic. You want to saute this garlic, until it starts to get brown, but not dark, you don't want your food to be bitter. Once it starts to look like this, I'm going to add the liver. And the oil is extremely hot, guys. No liquid up in here, just the way I'm doing it, and you're gonna see the outcome. Stir this around for another minute. And then I'm going to add my vibrant colors up in here. I just love to see colors when I'm cooking, guys. I just don't know why. It's just so attractive. It makes my food, stand out. Add your seasonings, guys. Don't be afraid. Then I'm going to add my chives. Uh-oh. Excuse the horns, guys. Now I'm going to cover this pot and let it cook for 3 minutes. Liver does not take long to cook, guys, trust me. After 3 minutes, you can see that the liver has produced its own juices. This is what it looks like. Quick, simple, and easy recipe, guys. Just do not overcook the liver. If not, it's going to get tougher. So I'm going to show you that the liver is well cooked. So once you cut it, there is no redness in there. And this is the finished product, guys. Turn the heat off and serve with some rice. I did make some salad. I did fry some ripe plantain, and lunch is served. Give it a try, guys. Leave me a comment. Don't you forget to subscribe. Also, press the bell and enjoy.